Hello, I'm Stephanie Noll from Noll Sotogrande, and here we are in sunny Sotogrande, and today I want to show you a very classical large house. It's for sale at 5,200,000 and for rent for long term at 10,000 euros per month. Do you want to see some more of the house? Let's go and have a look. Okay, so here we are and we are entering into the courtyard. You see, it's a large house of 1,032 square meters, built on a plot of 3,247 square meters. It has south-facing views, sea views, and views to the golf course. With an infinity pool here in front of us, which can be heated. It's a saltwater pool. And then look at this huge kitchen with a huge high ceiling. Come here and have a look. Outside space. A dining room, this is your outdoor living room. And of course I'm saying that because most of the year you can use these outdoor spaces and don't have to eat inside. Today is the 15th of January and it's warm. Sunny and warm. What is also remarkable is, because you have this south-facing situation, you have the sun from sunrise all the way to sunset. So you're always in the sun and have this covered terrace to protect you from the sun in the hot summer months. Okay, so when we go to this wing of the house, there are 3 bedrooms, including one which is used currently as an office. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, of course. And a big bedroom with double height ceiling. An open fireplace over there. And an open terrace from where to enjoy even better views. Look at this. You see the whole gorge here, which when it rains a lot, you even hear the water flowing through this gorge. So now I take you to the master bathroom and the dressing room. Have a look. Bathtub, this little sauna and separate toilet. Also with high ceilings, which is beautiful. And of course you have the sound system, which is throughout the house. And here is the dressing room. Okay, have a look at this view. This is a par 3 there. This is the famous Seve Ballesteros hole of the new San Roque golf course. here the infinity pool and the facade of the house. Indoor stream pool. Now I'm going to show you the guest room, the guest house. The guest house and this huge garage. So there are 2 bedrooms, each one with its own bathroom, of course. All with high ceilings, all equipped with underfloor heating and air conditioning, hot and cold. And now comes the best for all car lovers. Come with me. A separate plot which can be purchased separately or can be purchased together with the property. You have an entrance over there. So it's a garage, an underground garage for 14 cars. And above this garage, it's just a lawn. There's nothing else. It's just a lawn. The idea is that you could build on it, of course. You could buy both properties, build on top of this garage here, another beautiful house, sell it and keep this one, or enjoy both. So that's it. That's the house. Do you have any questions? Please call us, email us, or simply go to our website noll-sotogrande.com. See you soon!